I've really come to the conclusion that the number one recovery tool you have is sleep. Sleep is probably the most overlooked and underutilized one, in my opinion, at least for me. And that's essentially where the pod comes in. I've found that a good night's sleep can really make or break your training session the following day. This is basically a product that is going to emphasize that and take that to the next level. What's up everyone, Giancarlo Bodoni here for another video. Really excited about this video today, a little bit of a different video. Happy to announce a new partner, a new sponsor to the YouTube channel and to just my brand in general. It's gonna be 8 Sleep, okay? So for those of you guys that don't know, 8 Sleep is a company that they are famous for this mattress cover. It's called the Pod, and it's a mattress cover that is essentially, in a nutshell, it basically covers your mattress like a fitted sheet would, and it is able to track your sleep. It also adjusts the temperature automatically to your and your partner's ideal sleeping temperature, so it actually adjusts it on both sides of the bed. But we'll talk a little bit more about what the actual product does a little bit later in the video. I'm just announcing the new partnership with 8 Sleep. There's also going to be an affiliate link in the description below. You'll get $150 off your order if you order a pod using my affiliate link. We'll talk a little bit more about the specs in a second. I'm really excited about this product. I know it's going to be a great product. I already talked to a bunch of people that I know personally that have used it, and they swear by it. I've seen tons of reviews of people online. They've talked about it on Rogan and a bunch of other podcasts, so I know that it's not only has a lot of hype and eyes behind it, but the reviews and the feedback has been great from the product. I've also been, the last couple of years, trying to really do as much as I can to help with my overall recovery, to be able to train day to day. And I've really come to the conclusion that the number one recovery tool you have is sleep. Sleep is probably the most overlooked and underutilized one, in my opinion, at least for me. I've found that a good night's sleep can really make or break your training session the following day. Obviously, nutrition is important, hydration, there's a bunch of other stuff that's important, but I feel like if sleep is not number one, it's definitely in the top 3. And I personally, for me at least, sleep has been the number one. So I try to get as much, not only as much sleep as I can, but as much quality sleep as I can. And that's essentially where the pod comes in. And there's definitely a lot of things that you can do that without technology to make sure that your sleep is good. And I would definitely encourage you guys to do that beforehand. But this is basically a product that is going to kind of emphasize that and take that to the next level. I've used a cooling pad. I'm the type of person, I tend to run very hot at night, so I'll just pretty much every night have night sweats. So I've used a product called the Chili Pad, which was gifted to me by a friend of mine, one of my training partners. And that is essentially a product that it's a cooling pad. It lays underneath your sheet, and it just runs cool water through the pad, and you can set it to, I think, as low as 55 degrees, and it just keeps you cold the whole night. The benefit of the pod and the 8 Sleep is that it will adjust the temperature to your ideal sleeping temperature throughout the night. It will essentially cool you down to about 2 or 3 degrees. I'll get you the exact numbers in a second, but it's about 2 to 3 degrees, I believe, to help you fall asleep. And then it'll adjust it throughout the night, and it'll actually start to warm you up in the morning to make sure that you are in the deepest sleep possible, the ideal temperature to get the deepest and most restful sleep that you can throughout the night. And it'll slowly rise in temperature just a couple of degrees, ideal to you, to help you wake up in the morning. Okay, and that's essentially the most ideal sleeping pattern. In addition to that, the pod also has a bunch of data tracking that it'll basically tell you how you're sleeping at night. It'll let you know how recovered you are, etc., etc. All right, so last few talking points about the 8 Sleep. So what it offers is the pod, okay, that covers your mattress. You get the automatic temperature adjustments that I talked about. The ranges are between 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty cold, and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot. You probably won't get that hot, honestly, but it does range to those temperatures. Vibration and thermal alarm, so it'll essentially give you a light vibration to help you wake up, and the thermal alarm, which is obviously that temperature rising. sleep and health reports, so it'll track you as you sleep. There's an app. You can go in and check all that information there. Automatic software updates as the technology gets better and better. And then you also have a lifetime warranty with that as well. And so you can sign up for the membership. It's an annual membership. And you can just re-up on that, and that's what you get with the membership. So if you want to sign up, you want to get $150 off of your order, you can click the affiliate link in the description below. Let's get into the unboxing. This is the pod. Let's see what's in here. So this is the pod, and basically it just goes over your mattress. I'm not going to take it out of the bag right now because it's vacuum sealed, but basically this fits over your mattress like a fitted sheet would. Top left corner. These are the tubes that the water runs through. So I think, yeah, and this is a king size, but they have different size for all different mattresses. And then the little box.
It says to put it on its side and pull this handle out.
Okay. So this is the little box that it comes with, and this is basically like the engine. And you put water in this. I'm pretty sure this is, at least with my other cooling pad, what you had to do is you put water in this thing, and it just pumps the cold water through those tubes, and this will serve as a cooler and a heater for the water. So that's it. So that's what it comes with. And yeah, like I said, it has just plugs into an outlet. So this is electric. It pumps water into the mattress cover, heats and cools it through this thing over here, and that's pretty much it. So pretty simple. You just plug it in, add water to this, fit that over your mattress, put your sheets over top, and you're good to go. All right, so we took the sheets off the bed, and I just want to show you guys. This is the chili pad that I was using before, and it goes underneath the bed. It's a little dusty right now, but basically you put distilled water in it. I was putting distilled water in it, and every, however many weeks, you just fill this up with water in here. And this is pretty old. It was handed down to me, so it's a little bit dirty and used. But you turn it on. I think it's out of water. That's why it's not turning on. No, it's unplugged actually. So you turn this on, and then you can set the temperature, and it goes as low as 55. And I don't know what the highest temperature is, but I always have it at 55 because I just run so hot at night. And this was great. I liked it. I don't know how much this is, but it really doesn't have any other features outside of the fact that it's cold, and it just runs cold the whole night, and you have to fill up the water, pretty often, but it fits underneath the bed. So that was a good product. I liked it, but obviously the 8 Sleep has way more features. And so tracks your sleep. It covers the whole bed, and it adjusts each side of the bed individually. So yeah, just overall gonna be a pretty sick upgrade, and I'm looking forward to trying it. Also, I'm gonna be leaving literally in a couple of hours. I was supposed to leave, I thought was tomorrow, to the UK for Polaris, but my flight, it turns out, luckily I checked it, turns out my flight was today, and so I had to rush and pack everything. We received the 8 Sleep literally last night, so I didn't get to sleep in it last night, and we were going to record this video and sleep in it and do a one night, like my first night sleep on the 8 Sleep, but I won't be able to do that, unfortunately. So this is just the unboxing and the setup. When I get back in about 2 weeks, I will sleep on it for the first time, and I'll do probably a one night sleep review, and then I'll do like a 2-3 weeks, maybe a 1 month review, and let you guys know what my experience has been like on the mattress. So unfortunately I won't get to sleep on it today, but in a couple of weeks I'll get to sleep on it, and yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, so it's officially set up. We have the little box here. It has water in it. You have to put distilled water in it it tells you the ratio. You put hydrogen peroxide in it. You link it to Bluetooth, but we totally forgot to film this part, so bear with us. But we linked it. You link it to your phone, to the app. Just connects right here into an outlet. Then a tube runs into the mattress, and you're good to go. So it's currently setting up right now. I am on my way to the airport, or I'm about to head out to the airport, so won't be able to sleep in it tonight, like I said, but I'm looking forward to getting some feedback and sleeping on it when I get back. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I appreciate everybody tuning into the video and watching. Thank you to 8 Sleep once again for sending over the mattress. And remember, guys, there's an affiliate link that you can look at in the description. If you want to purchase an 8 Sleep mattress and use my affiliate link, that would really help me out. You get $150 off of your order using the affiliate link. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do all those things, and I'll see you guys next time.